In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Excel to JSON. If you have data stored in an Excel spreadsheet and you want to turn it into JSON for a website, an app, or a database workflow, one of the easiest ways to do it is by using an online converter. This method is quick, beginner-friendly, and usually doesn't require you to install any software. To get started, open an Excel to JSON converter website in your browser. There are several common options available, including Table Convert, JSON Lints Excel to JSON Converter, and Excel to JSON Converter. These tools are designed to read spreadsheet data and automatically format it into valid JSON. Once the converter is open, upload your Excel file. In most cases, you can either click an upload button and choose your file, or simply drag and drop the spreadsheet into the page. These tools typically support standard Excel formats like XLSX and XLS, so either one should work. After your file is loaded, check whether your workbook contains more than one sheet. If it does, select the specific sheet you want to convert. This is important because the converter will only process the sheet you choose, and selecting the wrong one could give you the wrong output. Next, confirm whether the first row of your spreadsheet contains column headers. Most converters use the first row as the property names in the JSON output. For example, if your Excel columns are name, age, and city, those exact values will become the JSON keys for each row of data. So if your spreadsheet contains entries like John 25 New York on one row and Sarah 30 Chicago on the next, the converted result will be a JSON array with one object for each row. Each object will include name, age, and city as properties, with the corresponding values from the spreadsheet. This structure makes the data easy for applications and scripts to read. Once everything looks correct, click the Convert button or the option labeled Convert to JSON. The tool will then generate the JSON version of your spreadsheet data. From there, you can either copy the generated JSON directly from the page or download it as a JSON file, depending on what the website offers and what you need for your project. Before you finish, keep a few important tips in mind. Make sure your column headers are unique, because duplicate headers can create duplicate JSON keys and cause problems later. Also, if your Excel file includes merged cells, formulas, or multiple header rows, you may need to clean it up before converting to get accurate results. And finally, many modern converters process files directly in your browser, which can be helpful if privacy is a concern.